what is happening really in the brain in its mechanism. Now we are going to discuss. When you are getting the setback or a trauma or grief or accidents or loss of a loved one or any triggering events, there is a chemical secretion at the certain part of brain which deteriorates the correlational status of your brain and decreases the number of neurons available for your thinking, feeling, behaving, responding and all reasoning processes. To deal with the new normal of the brain, its regulatory mechanism inside the brain, which is inbuilt, regulates itself to survive, to function in a better way. It alters its neurosensitivity. By altering the neurosensitivity, it become able to survive in that. It become able to regulate all the functions of the brain. When it alters its neurosensitivity, alteration of the neurosensitivity is the primary effect of that trauma, of that triggering event. When it alters its neurosensitivity, the sensitivity of all organs, of all systems of your body, alter itself accordingly to deal with the new normal of the brain. What is happening? Your rate, depth and rhythm of respiration changes. It can be marked. The functions of your digestive system is also changing during the depressive episodes. This is why your appetite get disturbed. You will not be feeling hungry. You will not have the thirst of water. All digestive secretion, if you can take the assay of your digestive secretions, the change can be seen over there also. Sensitivity of the digestive systems of your intestine, of your stomachs, of your different glands, livers is also changing. It can be marked over there also. The functions and secretions of the excretory system is also changing during the episodes of depression. All systems, your immunity, if you can analyze the status of the immunity of your body during the depression and compare it with when you become normal, the change is seen. I have seen the changes. These are the points. It is the changes. These are the changes which can be seen at systemic level. You can also see the changes physically also. The person suffering from depression having the change in their deterioration in their facial expression, in the body language, in the muscular tone, in the eye expression, in the rhythm of locomotion. A person suffering from depression has the locomotion in a different way, the rhythm of locomotion in a different way. His facial expression is deteriorated. His muscular tone is deteriorated. His high expression is he's telling what is happening in his body, and the changes can be seen when you became normal. You can also mark the changes at your chemical level. The chemical secretion in your body and the brain becomes abnormal when you are depressive. There are certain chemical changes due to the trauma or discrimination or humiliation or abuse or anything. What may be the cause? Triggering point may be many, but the effect is only one. Interneuronal activity, talking between the neurons, is also changed. It can be seen in the MRI and PET scan.